Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Fetch. Wanted to give you my thoughts, wanted to do an update. It's been a couple of days since we did an update. Last time, unfortunately, we lost the bullish momentum again, which I sincerely hoped that we actually could sustain back then. But all right, that's just the situation right now. All right, so the markets at this moment are not ideal. Excuse me. I still think that there is a possibility for some sort of an AI rally in the next month or so. Obviously, the 22nd of May, we have NVIDIA earnings. If those are higher than expected, and that we also get some sort of a glimpse of what OpenAI is releasing in the next couple of months, then that could turn into some momentum, like I said, for the AI narrative in crypto. But what I do think needs to be true is that the market needs to be relatively bullish for that as well. And at this moment, and that's the biggest problem, at this moment, I don't think that the market is strong enough to facilitate such a rally. And then apart from that, and that's also why I wanted to cover Fetch, we also have the merge into ASI very soon. I think that's somewhere in March, somewhere around the 20th as well. So if you don't know, Fetch, Ocean, and Ajax are turning into one crypto, ASI. And you can convert your Ajax and your Ocean tokens, but Fetch will just turn into ASI. All right, so that's also why I wanted to cover it, and that's also why I think that if that news causes some sort of momentum, which is a possibility, I haven't made my mind up about that yet. I think it could turn into something good, but again, you need some more bullish market circumstances. So if the market turns a bit more bullish, my eyes will be on Fetch and AI cryptos either way, because I think the narrative has a lot of potential. But yeah, for now it's too early to say. But that's why I did want to cover Fetch, because I think that Ocean and Ajax will be a little bit more quiet. All right, so the main thing, if you look at Fetch right now, there's not much going on. All right, so the main things we're talking about is possibilities. Possibilities if the momentum comes around. But if you look at Fetch right now, spot buying and selling has been relatively flat. So nothing is being sold off, nothing is really being bought. And the momentum is dropping down since the 10th of May. All right, so when we had that big drop from Bitcoin, of course. So that's unfortunate, because we were actually building quite a lot of momentum. That could have turned into something good. Did not. All right, so right now you can also see EMAs are relatively flat. We're just consolidating. All right, we're consolidating, I would say, right now between $2.4 and $2. But ultimately, if we really want to get a breakout, if we really want to rally, we either need to break above 2.34 and 2.4, 2.35, 2.4 with momentum. All right, so that the open interest rallies and that the AI narrative kicks back off again. Then we can rally up to 2.75 and 2.8. Or we need to just get back up to 2.5 and break above that. And we don't necessarily need momentum for that if that breakout comes around. Right? So that's this level right here. So we just need to see a breakout. And at this moment, if you want to know what I expect in the short term from the price, it's nothing. All right, I expect volatility. But that's normal within the range, because I don't think we'll get a breakout. And then what we have to wait for is two things. Either if the AI narrative can actually pick up some speed in the next week. Next week is really the week and the week afterwards that it needs to happen. And what Bitcoin does. All right, if Bitcoin turns bearish, or if Bitcoin stays bearish, then Fetch sure will hold its own for a little bit, but then it will drop back down to $2, drop back down to 1.85. And I think something like that, so no movement, or at least movement within the range, and then some bearish momentum is most likely. But because there's nothing pointing in the other direction. No momentum from Fetch, no strength from the AI narrative right now. So that's why I think something like this is what you should expect. All right. Now, I will keep you updated on that, of course. But for now, that's what I need you to know. That's what I think you need to know. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.